welcome back to the Summit of Speaker channel. I am your cleaning guide to cleaning business success. Yes, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell notification. We post videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 p.m. I want to say welcome to the channel. Now, if you are a returning viewer to this channel, I want to say thank you for supporting. We got this new video for you here today, so I appreciate it. If you rather are a new viewer or a viewer that's been here before, I just highly recommend that you watch all my previous videos as well. And I always say this at the beginning of my video because a lot of times my videos stack upon one another. And what I mean by that is a lot of the information I talk about in my previous videos help you understand some of the things I talk about in a lot of my new videos as well. So once again, I want to say I appreciate you guys for being here. At the end of this video, if you feel like I gave you some value, you feel like you got some value, you feel like I put in effort to give you guys some value, just please give me a thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. It helps me out so much. Now, in the details of this video, if you were looking to join our free community, click the school community link, and you will be good to go. I'm tripped on my own words. Hold on. Excuse me. Now, with that being said, the second link that I have in this video, it is, at the details of this video, it is my calendar link where you can book a one-on-one consultation. Sorry, guys, I got some coffee here. Just recorded late night. I have my one-on-one calendar link that you can book a one-on-one call. It's a link that you can book a one-on-one call. Forgive me, it's getting a little late. Now, with that being said, like I said, if you are looking to start a remote cleaning business, you're looking to automate, scale, or start a business, maybe you are looking to pay down some debt or put some money into your children's college fund, or you're looking to take your family out on a trip, right? You can use this business to be able to make that money to be able to accomplish these goals. The beauty of the remote cleaning business, and because you're doing it from your laptop and you can automate it, you can start a 9-to-5 and run this business. So if you are looking to if you're looking to learn how to do this, definitely book a one-on-one consultation with me and I will take care of you. Once again, I want to say thank you both and thank you everybody for being here and the constant support that you guys give this channel. Let's get into it. Now, today I want to talk about something very important, right? I want to talk about how to partner with realtors for move-out cleanings. Now, I do talk about partnering with realtors in my previous videos, which is why I would say watch my previous videos so you can get an idea of what we're talking about. But I do want to talk about how to partner with realtors for move-out cleanings, right? And this can technically be move-out or move-in cleanings, but a lot of time move-out cleanings are a big thing because a lot of times people need help with realtors to sell their properties. So I do want to talk about it today, and let's get going into the video. How to partner with realtors for move-out cleanings. How to partner with realtors for move-out cleanings. Like I said, depending on the realtor or the brokerage that you get in contact with, right, realtors can be a big help when it comes to actually booking a lot of clientele. And and plus the fact that they are representing a lot of the clients, you know, they can give a lot of referrals. They can definitely add a lot of revenue to your books. So let's look at this here. Understand why realtors need you, right? And so before we get to these 2 or 3, right, I think that we need to understand a lot of times before you get to pitch into them, you want to understand what their pain point is, right? So they need homes market ready, they need fast turnaround, and they can't afford delays. They want vendors who make them look good. That is a big thing with realtors, right? A realtor wants to make themselves look good, right? In order to be able to get more clients, to be able to get referrals, and to be able to make their current client happy. And so what we're trying to do is we're trying to help them look good. How do we help them look good? By speed, right? Getting the properties done. If they need us to service a property, getting it done immediately, right? How else do we help make them look good? Reliability, forgive me, right? So if they need a cleaning done, right, and let's say they need a cleaning done today, tomorrow, whatever, we're reliable. If they're calling us, we will get it done. And being professional as well. This is a big thing. Realtors pride themselves on being professional, right? It's the professional image is very important to a realtor. So with that being said, we need to understand, okay, if a realtor needs a home ready quick, right? They need fast turnarounds. They need to be able to make sure that the property looks good. So when they're doing walkthroughs or open houses for the property, and they rely on us, we need to be able to get it done on time, get it done efficiently, and make sure that the service is good so that when people do the open houses or the walkthrough, the houses look amazing. So when we understand what the realtors need, we understand how to be the solution to their pain point, right? So what we want to do is make sure before we even contact realtors, we understand what their pain point is, because now we understand what their pain point is, we know how to get into that market, and we know how to actually pitch to the realtors. Now, going back to what I said, my video stack on other videos, I talked about this in another video. You don't necessarily want to pitch to them. You want to show them the opportunity and the value that you can offer. If you let them know, hey, you know, whenever you need a house turnaround on time, right? And then we'll talk about this offer priority service. We'll talk about this as well. But whenever, if you let them know, like, hey, you need it quick, you need it on time, you need a good service, I'm that guy for you, right? Well, at that point, it's not necessarily pitching to them, but letting them know, like, if you need something, we're here for you. Right? And we don't want to sit there and say, hey, do you have a home? Do you have a home? Do you have a home? We just want to sit there and let them know, hey, whenever you need something, we are here for you. Now, the beauty of this is when you do good job for a realtor, they will 100% rely on you. Going back to the job of a realtor, a lot of times realtors don't have time to sit there and keep looking for somebody, right? Time is one of their biggest assets. So if we can be a vendor in which they could always just simply rely on us on a quick text and we can get it done for them, that would be perfect. Man, this coffee is getting to me, man. Okay, so let's look at number 2, right? How to partner with realtors. Make it easy for them to refer you, right? Realtors are busy. This is what I was talking about as well. Realtors are busy. Give them a one simple page flyer, clear price instruction, fast quote guarantee, direct contact line. The easier you are to use, the more they refer you, right? And so a lot of times when these realtors are trying to refer you, you don't want to make it an environment where, okay, their client has to go through this line to get to this line to get to, it makes the realtor look bad. Look, guys, you have to understand when someone is referring someone, right, they are putting their face on the line to say that you are professional, you are good. So how do you make it for the client? The worse it makes them look and the less they are going to refer you. So you want to be able to give a clear price instruction to them. You want to give a fast quote to their clients, right? You want to give them a direct line for them to say, hey, I'm going to send your number over and they're going to deal with you. A lot of times when realtors have referred our companies, whenever they send a client over, I do everything. When I mean I do everything in my power to make sure that the client they referred to me is taken care of. If there's any extra time that I really put into, don't get me wrong, I take care of all my clients, but them especially, if someone gives me a referral, I put extra effort to make sure that client is taken care of. Because one, if you do good with that referral, the person that referred the client to you will refer you more clients. And 2, to be able to show that love back, you want to make sure that you're taking care of someone's people's, right? And, you know, this is one of those relationship things, right? If someone says, hey, this is my friend, this is my client, you want to do everything you can to take care of that friend or that client. So you want to make it easy for them to refer you, right? You don't want them to refer you to a client. Now the client has to jump through a lot of hoops. Imagine, they refer you to a client. They already tell you the type of property size. You can even just tell the client, hey, nice to meet you. I know this person referred to you. We already did a breakdown of the price. This is what it will cost, this and this and this. Clear and easy. So by the time the client even comes to you, they already have pricing laid out, what that will come with, checklist. You want it to be an easy, convenient, and a beautiful experience for the client that they referred you to. They referred to you, my apologies, the client that they referred to you so that they will refer more clients to you. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is offer priority service. This is powerful. Tell them we prioritize realtor clients. We offer flexible schedule for listings. We can often accommodate next day service. That alone separates you from random cleaners. When you have a realtor that is referring clients to you, especially if they are constantly giving you good clients, right? I don't even care if it's one a month. If it's a consistent pattern of them giving you good clients, what I like to do is I like to take care of the realtors. It doesn't cost you nothing to give the realtor and the client that they refer to you priority service. If they say, hey, they refer the client and the client needs it this week, it doesn't cost you nothing to sit there and make sure that they are well taken care of. So with that being said, this is a big thing right here. If you can offer priority service, let a realtor know, like, hey, I want to let you know any client that you refer to me are gonna get priority service. I'm gonna make sure that they're taken care of before anybody else. You will get consistent clients. Now, the reason this is so big to me is because when a realtor refers you clients, these are free. I call it free clients. Excuse me. I call it free clients, and the reason I call it free clients is because let's say you're running paid ads, right? You're paying for those clients, and a lot of times you still have to sit there and close them. When a realtor refers a client to you, one, the client is more likely to book with you because they came from a trustworthy source. Two, you didn't have to pay anything for that lead. You didn't have to pay anything for that client. So technically, when let's say you book a client through Google, obviously there is such thing as like a market cost or a lead cost for that lead. The lead cost for the lead that the realtor referred you is free. So if anything, it literally costs you nothing. It literally costs you nothing. So with that being said, you should take the time to make sure that that client's prioritized. On top of that, if it costs you nothing to get that lead, that is a potential reoccurring lead. So now the value of that client has dramatically increased, right? So with that being said, you want to make sure and offer priority service. Let the realtor know anybody you refer to me will be taken care of, and I will prioritize them. And that will incentivize the realtor to be able to give you more clients. So I don't want to beat a dead horse, but this is what you could do, and this is what you would do to partner with more realtors, especially for move-out cleanings. You could also do this for move-in cleanings as well. So you could pause the video, take a picture. Hopefully you took down some notes as well. And this is how you would pretty much build these relationships, right? And when you're working with a realtor, it's relationship building, right? And that's a big thing in business. Relationship building is important. And you want to make sure that when you're building a relationship that you're doing everything you can to maintain a good relationship with that person, at least on your end, right? And so you want to make sure that you're doing that, especially someone that is bringing you clients for free. Come on now, you want to make sure that you're doing what you need to do, and you want to also make sure that you look good yourself as a business, right? You want to look professional, right? Because now think about it, not only are you getting the lead for free, then you can make them a recurring client, and they may refer you to somebody they know. Right? So we want to make sure that we're doing everything we can to be a very professional business, take care of them so we can get more clients and more leads and more referrals. So once again, I want to say thank you for being here in this video. Thank you for waiting to the end of this video, watching to the end of this video. I hope you got some value from this video. If you did get some value from this video, or you felt the effort and the passion I put in to give you some value, please give me a thumbs up. It means the world to me. Like the video. Thank you so much. If you have any questions or would like to simply comment in this video, comment below. Remember, in the details of this video, 2 important links that I want you guys to focus on. My school community link, where we teach you how to start, automate, and scale a remote cleaning business, as well as my Calendly. You can it's called Calendly, but you can pretty much book a one-on-one consultation. It's a free consultation. So there's no reason for you not to take action. If you literally want to learn how to start a remote cleaning business, book a consultation, talk to me. We can definitely get you going. Once again, hit that bell notification. We post videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 p.m. And I appreciate you guys for being here. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.